Hi everyone! Most people think great cannelloni start with the filling. They don't. They start with the sauce. French chefs don't pile ingredients together. They build flavor one layer at a time. And today I will show you how. Let's begin with the carrots. And don't rush this first step. Cut them into small, even dice. Uniform pieces cook at the same pace, which means every bite will taste the same. And now, the onion. A good dice isn't about speed, it's about control. Keep the cuts even and let your knife do the work. Small, regular pieces melt naturally into the sauce instead of standing out. Heat the olive oil and cook the carrots first. They need time to release their natural sweetness. Then add the onion, and remember, you're not trying to brown it. You're building the aromatic base of the sauce. Now pour in the red wine and let it reduce. This isn't about evaporating liquid. It's about concentrating flavor before anything else goes into the pan. Now add the blended peeled tomatoes and a spoonful of tomato paste. Season with salt and pepper, then add a little sugar to soften the tomato's natural acidity. Finish with thyme and bay leaf, then let the sauce simmer gently while the flavors come together. While the sauce simmers, let's prepare the filling. Break the sausage meat into very small pieces as it cooks. And don't leave large chunks. A fine, even texture gives you a better filling. In the same pan, cook the ground beef exactly the same way. Break it up immediately, keep stirring and let it brown lightly. Then bring both meats together with a few ladles of tomato sauce. At this point, the filling stops being two separate meats and becomes one balanced mixture. Once the filling has cooled slightly, transfer it to a piping bag. Filing cannelloni by hand often leaves gaps. A piping bag fills every tube evenly from end to end. Hold each cannelloni upright and pipe with steady pressure while slowly withdrawing the bag. Don't rush. A perfectly filled cannelloni cooks evenly and slices beautifully. Cover every cannelloni completely with tomato sauce, because if pasta is exposed, it dries out instead of cooking. The sauce isn't just for flavor, it protects the pasta while it bakes. And now the cheese. Here is a lesson many home cooks miss. Parmesan and Emmental do not have the same job. Parmesan brings depth, umami, and color. Emmental brings melt, creaminess, and a generous gratin. One builds flavor, the other builds texture. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit degrees until the top is beautifully golden and bubbling. Then wait. Resting the dish for 15 minutes allows the filling to settle and the flavor to come together. When you serve, every layer should make sense. Tender pasta, rich tomato sauce, creamy filling and a perfectly golden gratin. That's the difference between following a recipe and understanding technique. French cooking isn't complicated, it's methodical. Every ingredient has a purpose, every step builds the next, so master the technique and you'll never need to memorize recipes again.